No, no, no. Start.
Just introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Bandar. I'm going to do CPR for adult. First, check if the patient is check the areas is it safe or not. Make it the safe area. Okay, and then check the patient if there is stimulation or not by touching him. Are you okay? Are you okay, sir? And then or touching his face. Maybe he's blind or he cannot hear. Touch him. If he isn't doesn't stimulate, I check his call 997 and tell him about the position and the case and my name and the location. Oh, then I open the airway by head tilt chain left and open the airway. Check the airway is opened. No, nothing, nobody inside the airway. If there anybody inside the airway,
You mean foreign body?
What?
Foreign body?
Not foreign body.
Yes, something strange.
Yeah, something
Yes, obstruction.
you remove it by my finger.
Okay.
If there are not, I check the air if he is breathing or not by doing like that.
Yes.
And look to his chest.
How many inches above the patient's mouth?
10 inches. I think.
10 inches?
No, 1 or 2 inches.
Okay.
1 or 2 inches. Then check his chest, if his eyes are down. Then if he's breathing, I feel that by my.
What about if you see the chest is rising and falling, but you did not feel any air, escape of air, or you did not hear any escape of air?
I go down more to feel if there are or not. If I doesn't feel anything, I must check his airway again. Okay?
Okay, let's say the airway is clear and still not breathing. What you do?
The airway is clear and
Not
no
breathing? Yes.
Okay, I give him to breathe.
How?
Like that. Then check by credit pulse. If there are pulse, I give him again breathing. If there are breathing.
If there is weak pulse?
There is weak pulse, I give him. I put my finger inside the sacrum, 2 finger and put my hand. That and 1, 2, 3, 4 till 30.
30. After 30 compression.
After 30, I check his pulse. If there are no pulse, I give him to breathe again, and no breathing, I give him breathing and do it again. I do that for circle and check again the pulse and breathing. I still do it many times until his breathing and the circle is still back. If isn't back, I still.
When are you going to stop the CPR?
The CPR I will stop it if there are another one do the CPR with me or when I am awake.
Okay.
Okay. If he back to normal mode and the breathing is good and the pulse is good, I put him in recovery position and
Wait.
wait for the emergency.
Okay, thank you.